How many times have I warned you not to summon me this way?
But you came.
Why are you speaking to me in such a manner? Have you forgotten your status?
How can I have forgotten when you don't cease to remind me how worthless I am? How could you, Prince Sado? How could you inflict such pain on a human? How could you?
Well, that is a very merciful punishment to such a commoner like him. And by the way, why are you standing by his side? I mean, you have never questioned my authorities or any of my actions, so why now? Oh, I hope you are not falling in love with this commoner that makes you to stand out for him.
Prince Sado, I beg you, please, do not hurt him furthermore. I will do whatever you want, but don't hurt him again.
I have big plans for you. From my personal maid to my mistress. I would have made you my wife, though you're a commoner. But you can be my concubine. I think that is enough for you.
The king is down. There is trouble in the kingdom. There is trouble in our kingdom.
Your Majesty, you don't look good at all. This physician did not even say anything. But I don't know if he told you something. What's the matter?
He said nothing looks good. My head worsens. And my heart might stop breathing at any moment.
That's not true. Your Majesty, please don't talk like that. We'll find a solution to this illness. I assure you, you're going to live long in good health.
My queen, you're a woman of faith. And that was what attracted me to you. And I made you my queen. Even at that, as we pray for the best, we should also prepare our minds for the worst. Because anything might happen at any time.
Your Majesty, please. I don't like the way you're sounding, please. You're beginning to scare me. Like I said, nothing will happen to you, I assure you. Alright, just in case, what would you have me do in preparation for the future plans?
Summon the Kingmaker. Let him come, and I shall brief him what to do next.
Alright, I will do as you said. You'll be fine.
Oh no. Thank you for responding to my summon as quick as you can. Your Majesty, may you continue to reign the supreme. May you live long. I receive your message and shows of heart, at least to know and to hear what my king has to say. my great advisor and old friend. As you can see, I'm sick and my health worsens every day. No solution in sight. And no one knows the time permanent departure to the other side of life. So I need to do what needs to be done. Because the air that I breathe now is just like a gift. It must not be taken for granted. I need to do everything possible to secure the kingdom and the royal family.
Hey, my king, command me to do what exactly you want me to do. Sorry.
I want you to summon the chiefs so that we can discuss the coronation of my son, the prince.
If I may ask, Your Majesty, do you think that the Crown Prince is ready to reign in your stead? Seeing that, in fact, everything is coming out sudden. And I'm not seeing any readiness in him because he has not gotten enough training.
That is if we have the time. We don't have such time. Oh yes. He is my son. My blood runs in him. Oh yes. Lion begats lion. I am of the confidence that he will deliver and do better than me that did serve to my family.
I will do exactly what you want me to do, my king. Igwe.
He's making moves. And this is what I have waited for all my life, when he will quit the throne. Now he wants his first son to rule after him.
He is the Crown Prince. And who else do you think that will reign after the king if not the Crown Prince?
My son, of course. That was the original plan. And I want you to make it work at all costs.
It will not be easy. It can only happen when we get our hands dirty.
Oh, come on, are you the one saying this? Getting our hands dirty is your area of specialty. Have you forgotten that? It will not just benefit only me. It will also make you come close to becoming the most powerful man in this kingdom if Sado becomes a king.
I will do exactly what you want me to do.
Beautiful.
Just come to me. I've really missed you.
We are talking about something very important here and you are saying you've missed me. I beg your pardon. Now you better get to work. Let's make this work. Let Sado become the king. Then, I might be in the mood to come close to you. One more thing here. Do not forget that I am still the queen. I decide when to come close to you and not the other way around.
Forgive me, Your Majesty. I acted out of place, and that will never happen again.
Apology accepted. You get to work immediately.
bring the crown to saddle. Greetings, my prince. Is someone here?
Why are you putting on a frowning face? Are you not happy that I summoned you? Come on, Samira, you should have considered yourself a lucky girl for having someone like me. I mean, the almighty Prince Sado, the mover of mountain. You should be happy and consider yourself special amongst every other girls. You know, such opportunity doesn't come always. And you are lucky that I summoned you after all.
What do you want from me, Prince Sado?
What I want from you is you. These sexy eyes. The sweet lips. The pointed nose. Your ears. The hairs. Your neck. These two bubbles. And the waist. This is what a prince loves to eat. Come here. To waste everything and buy is just so strange. What is? Look away, look there. Relax, you will love it. You will love it.
Please excuse us. Son, what a pleasant surprise. You've come to join me to catch some air. Let me ask her to get you a seat, madam.
Son? You just called me son? You must be joking. Well, I've never considered you to be my mother. And I will not do such. You are just my father's wife. And the queen of this kingdom. So I beg you to stick to that. Well, I'm here to inform you about your ambition to take power and control it through your miscreant of a son, Sado, that it will not work. Never.
Prince, your words are quite instigating and very insulting. I'm not liking it at all. I don't blame you. And what even gave you the impression that I, Queen, want to covet your crown for my son? What?
Well, I don't want to go down history, but I'm tempted to do so. So, tell me, which one should we go first? Is it the way you planned my mother's death? You eliminated the queen, the first queen of this kingdom, just to take her crown? Or is it about your secret meetings and your evil plots? Which one? Come on.
Prince, I want you to understand that deep and grave accusations you're leveling against me is quite intense. Very soon you will become the crown king. I want you to understand that you will be accountable for your words. Are you ready? Now I'm asking you, do you have the evidence of all the allegations you're leveling against me? Do you?
Well, you ask of evidence, and evidence I shall bring to you. And by then, I will make sure you pay for all the evil that you've committed in this kingdom. Everything. Evil.
Now you better watch your tongue, John.
Mother, how could you let him talk to you in this respectful manner? Who is he, by the way, to talk to you like that?
Reduce your voice. Please, son. Okay? He is still the crown prince of this kingdom. You have to talk to him respectfully.
What? Mother! Mother, what he said, is that true?
Well, it depends on what you heard, son. And what are you talking about?
Mother, I'm talking about him saying you killed the first queen just to take her position. Is that true, Mother?
And what do you think? No, I'm asking you as my son, what do you think? Now, do you think your mom is capable of such evil? I'm asking you.
No, Mother.
Good.
No. But then you shouldn't have allowed him to talk to you in such a disrespectful manner. As a matter of fact, I'm going there to teach him the lesson of his life.
No! Hey. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, relax. Now, how many times have I told you to be of good behavior and shun violence? Now, the only way to address this insult is for you to work hard and become the king of this kingdom. Now, when you become the king of this kingdom, it makes me automatically the queen mother. Then watch out how everything will play. Every other thing now doesn't matter. Hey.
Mama. Mama, why are you doing this now? Edilingozi, you know the state of your health. Why are you going to the farm? Did I ask you?
I only went to bring some cassava to make some abacha for you, eh?
Mama, please, I beg you in the name of God, Biko, don't go to the farm again. What if something happened to you there? What would I say? How will I start?
Nothing will happen to me. Huh? Let me assist you.
Assist me?
Biko.
I wasn't asking for your assistance.
Hey.
Biko, don't assist me. Allow me to do it for you. Don't you want to stay alive and see my children? Me get married and grandchildren littered everywhere in this house.
Oh, Zugo, I'll be alive. I'm here. I'm not going anywhere. Oh?
You'll be around only if you leave this place.
Take those things inside. Oh, Biko.
Let me take them to the backyard.
Okay.
I've told you. Stop going to the farm. I did not send you. One day now when you go there and collapse now.
I cannot just sit doing nothing. Go.
Find somebody to.
I can see you enjoy my company lately. Or shall I say, you have a thing in your heart for me. You have love in your heart for your father's wife.
You wish, Your Majesty. I have some interesting news for you. You asked for evidence, and I'm very close to revealing everything. Now tell me, are you ready to face the consequences of your action? Come on.
I believe you have royal blood running through your veins and arteries. Royals don't talk too much. Maybe you don't know or you're not well trained. They believe in commanding and action, does it? Well, if you feel you have substantial evidence against me over your mom's death, the first queen, why am I not chained?
Well, a very good question. You see, why you're still free and walking around is because I want an evidence that is sucker punch. Yes, the one that will hit you to the ground, that you will not be able to rise again. And guess what I discovered? The place you went to and who you went to see. The day the Queen Mother, the first queen of this kingdom, died.
The Crown Prince needs to be taken out. And very fast.
I said we have to play dirty. But I never considered the possibility of killing. If that is what you mean by taking out.
I know going to Estrin wasn't our initial plan. But listen to me. He has chewed more than he can swallow, believe me. I want to force it down his throat for him to be gone forever.
What has he done to you this time? I've never seen you so desperate.
Everything. He has done everything. He wants to pin the death of the late queen on me. And he's aware that I am interested in taking the crown.
So how do you propose he's taken out?
Just disguise his death to look like accident or suicide.
Sean! 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 Sean!
I hope you can forgive me, Father. The burden is too much for me to carry, so I decided to quit. Your son. Your Majesty, Your Majesty, Your Majesty, Your Majesty, Your Majesty. Thank you. Somebody help, please, somebody help. Your Majesty, the physician said you relapsed as a result of the immense shock. But that if you can give yourself rest for a few hours, that you'll be fine.
How can I be fine? I just lost my first son. I don't believe my son can commit suicide.
Your Majesty, truth be told, your son was never happy. Honestly speaking, since he lost his mom, I never saw smiles on his face, and I tried as much as possible to make him feel good, to make him at least see me as a second mom. But no, he refused. Rather, he was threatening to kill himself. And that's what he did.
So he confided all this fight to you, and you kept them away from me. Don't you know I should have been of help?
I'm sorry, Your Majesty. I'm sorry he committed suicide finally, but I am not regretting for not telling you. Because of your health, please, I need you to be alive. I'm not saying that I wished him dead, but you know.
No, I don't believe this. My son cannot commit suicide. I must get to the root of this matter.
It's okay, Your Majesty, just relax. You need rest, I assure you. I will help you find out what happened to our late prince, how he died and everything. I will help you.
My old friend and my king. You see, I couldn't live with the rest chiefs because I wanted to be here for you. Knowing that your heart is heavy over the sudden death of the crown prince. But I need you to be strong. Because your duty as a king and a supreme ruler has no break. I understand what you're saying. But I'm also a father who lost his first son and the heir apparent. Am I not entitled to mourn him even for a day? You are the king, your majesty. You do whatever you like. Who dare question the king? The people need you. You are not just a father to your son, but a father to the entire subjects. Your majesty, you need to be strong.
Looks like you have something to tell me. Go ahead and say it.
You see, your majesty, my duty in this royal house is to make sure that succession is carried out without chaos and anarchy. In the absence of the crown prince, you need to name another heir to the throne. At least we have Sado, Prince Sado, the son of the queen. You can name him the next heir to the throne. My friend, I've had you. Let me sleep over my thoughts and take a decision. Be rest assured, I shall get back to you and to the rest of the chiefs in good time.
Hey, you're here. I'm ready.
Mama, you're ready for? You're not telling me where you're going to.
You're not listening. I said I'm going to see a friend who is grieving. Yeah?
Mama, wait.
Yeah.
A friend who is grieving. Is the person male or female? Let me know. I don't understand.
Yeah. I will hit your head. Kekwe and Kebo, is the person a male or female? You saw the Kwagema?
Mama, please. I am not a child. So you now keep secret now. You now keep secret to yourself because you know if you tell me, I will not approve it. That's why you're keeping it to yourself.
Why are you interrogating me?
Why
are you interrogating me? Bia,
Mama Gwanom, tell me.
Stay out of trouble. I will be back in a few days.
Mama, so you are keeping secret now? If what you are doing it, Mama, one day,
You're just coming now. I've been under this mango tree waiting for you for hours and you're just showing up now. I swear I wouldn't have forgiven you if the prince had met me here.
Are you scared of the prince? I can see that all over you. No, if you are, I can go and meet the prince right now and tell him off.
Tell him off? Why would you do a thing like that? Endangering your life and that of your mother. How is that going to help? Making me run around begging for your life.
Sumira, you are my best friend. And you are my responsibility. See, I do not mind taking a few strokes of cane just because of you. To send him a very strong message.
Why? How do you see me? You think I'm a weakling? I'm a wuss? I can fight for myself.
The things you have refused to tell me, even up till now. Huh? Oh my God. Why are women around me so secretive?
You have a girlfriend now?
My mother. She's my one and only lover. I think she's now keeping a secret. A very deep one. Do you know my mother travels for days and come back with a lot of money? Name it, food, riches, necklace, jewelries. I mean, who gave it to her? See, I have this instinct in my mind right now telling me that she has a boyfriend. And she's keeping him a secret from me.
If she's keeping him a secret, I think you should respect that.
Oh, come on.
I mean, you should learn to respect people's privacy. Maybe she doesn't want to bring him out in public.
Are you alright? At this point of her age? No. My mother cannot disgrace me like that. Eh? How do you want it to seem like I'm seeing my mom with another man playing love at my age? Come on. I did not raise my mother like that.
You are just suspecting, okay? It's not a fact yet. Greetings, Your Highness.
Your greetings are quite warm, but your eyes look so cold. Are you not happy to see me?
Who am I that my feelings should matter to you? I'm a nobody, and my feelings are useless.
Well, I'm glad you know. Well, I'm here because I'm curious.
Curious about what?
What you did to me that made me want to possess you badly. Samira, I wanted to get prepared and come to the palace. I wanted to be my personal maid.
Well, I don't have any interest in becoming a palace maid.
It's not an option for you to make a choice. It's a command. I really want you to. Don't you! My friend, what are you looking for? Will you pick it immediately?
Sorry, my prince.
See you at the palace.
My queen, Steve will be coming back from the state any moment from now. I need to climb the heir to the throne.
Steve?
Yes.
Why do you want Steve to come back? I mean, he has lived all his life overseas. Or is he not aware why you want him to return?
Every son of a king knows that someday he will become a king.
Come on. Your Majesty, allow this boy, who has lived his life like a commoner overseas. You have Sado. Sado is here. You have grown Sado. You raised Sado just like your own son. Why don't you ground Sado?
You and I knows that I love Sado very much.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
But the fact still remains, he's not my biological son.
Come on, Your Majesty, you have started discriminating. Why? This wasn't what you promised me when you got married to me. You told me that you would treat Sado just like your own son. You got married to me when Sado was little. We came into this place. You raised Sado like your own. Why are you talking like this?
Are you not saying that I don't love him because of the crown?
If you truly have love for Sado just like the way you love your own biological sons, you would just give him this crown. Instead of you saying that he doesn't have royal blood in his system, that's you discriminating.
My queen, I think I've made my point. Oh yes.
No one can what the Lord has written. Nobody can stop destiny. You can fight, but you will not survive. What you don't know is bigger than you. The enemy you are fighting in vain. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny.
Mother.
Yes, dear.
Greetings to you. I can see you enjoy yourself. That's good. All right, Mother. I actually want to ask you to summon the maidens of the palace. Then assign one to me as my personal servant. I mean, someone who's going to take care of me privately. You know, make me look more healthier, more ravishing rather. You know, that's exactly what I just came to ask you for. You understand?
Did you just say that to me, son? Now pick that! Pick it up!
Mother, what did you do that for? I mean, what have I said wrong?
I am highly disappointed at you, son. What? That's the only reason you came! Gracious God, just take a look at your saddle. I mean, the very one who has no interest in that whole thing is about to be given the power and the crown as a king of this kingdom, and here you are telling me about wanting a maid who will make you satisfy you. Now son, if you want a maid to sleep with, go ahead and bid anyone, but not for you to become obsessed with any of them. Hey, now you look at me when I'm talking to you. The only obsession you were permitted to have is power and the crown. And that's it. Nothing more, nothing less. Have I made myself clear?
I'm sorry, Mom. I'm really sorry. I lost my memory for a while, and I would do just as you've instructed.
Good. I'm glad the slap resetted your dumb school. Now let me sing it into your brain again for you to have it in your memory. The only thing you were permitted to be obsessed with is power and crown. Don't you ever speak to me about maidens or no maidens again. Now let me have it. He's planning to make Prince Steve his heir. Inasmuch as I feel he will object to it, but let's not forget, he is still his blood.
Do you have a plan?
He's planning on coming back to the palace. What if we stop him from getting to the palace?
Are you thinking of getting rid of him too?
Do you have a better plan?
Let us allow him come first. Probably he might reject the offer. If we move so quickly, we become suspect.
And what if he doesn't reject the offer? Have you thought of that? All right. I'll work with your plans, but hey, if he poses threat, we'll have to do the needful immediately.
Are you not going to say welcome?
Mama, you're expecting me to welcome you. How? I don't even know where you're coming from.
You don't need to know. I raised you to be a good man. If I'm a bad person, I wouldn't have raised a good man.
Mama, what has raising me got to do with the question I ask you? Eh? I'm not doubting you, Mama. But please, who is this person giving you all these things? What is your relationship with this person? That's all I asked.
You don't need to know. He's an old friend. That's all you need to know.
Mama,
please help me take these things inside.
I will not stop asking you this question. You need to tell me. You owe me this explanation. Who is this person that is giving you all this?
Donald, stop asking questions and take these things inside. Just concentrate on what I want you to know for now.
You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. You can never stop the plans of God. You can only try.
Sumira. Sumira, what's going on? Who did this to you?
Nothing. It's nothing.
Why all these blood patches?
I just told you it's nothing.
Wait. Don't tell me the prince did this to you. That good-for-nothing prince did this to you. What does he want from you? What does he want from a commoner like you when he has the wherewithal to get a noble woman for himself?
Can you bring your voice down? Someone might be passing and use you to gain favor from the prince.
Come on, please. Does it look like I care? I don't care! See, I hate oppression. I hate it, I detest it with everything in me. Alright? Why are you shedding this man? Huh? I know he did more. He did more, but you decided to stomach this pain to yourself. Reasons best known to you. Wait a minute. Are you scared?
I am not scared.
So?
His art towards me is my secret to keep. Mine and mine alone. This fight is mine. I don't want you getting involved. Stay away. I don't want him to get back at you. Just stay away. Stay clear. Please.
Your Highness, I have come to speak to you man to man. It is only a weak man that tortures and bullies empty, innocent vessels like women. No! Please, I came to plead with you. Leave Sumira, my best friend, alone. Leave her alone. It's just that simple. What?
What did I just hear you from? You weak man. You dare open this gutter you call a mouth to refer to me as a weak?
I don't...
Will you shut up? I'm still talking. How dare you? You dare step your foot in this palace to refer to me as a weak?
I don't care what you do to me. What I've come is for you to leave her alone. Leave her alone! What is it?
Do you know I can actually make you to become one of my maid? Or probably turn you to be my foot licker? Or maybe my gardener? You're such a low-life profile idiot. So stand there talking to me with all amber. Now I will give you the lesson of your life. You will never forget in it. God!
Your Highness, I am ready to be a scapegoat! But please, leave me alone!
So how do you feel now? Obviously miserable.
You will regret this! You will regret this!
Shut up! You have to blame it on your miserable father and mother. Fool!
You will regret this!
Shut up!
Why is this herb so painful?
Sorry. Because it's penetrating your inner skin. What is wrong with you, my son? Eh? Have you not heard about how notorious Prince Sado is? You are very lucky. All you got is few strokes of cane.
Mama, I will fight.
Easy.
I will fight him, even if he kills me. I will stand up to him. I hate oppression. I hate oppression. Even if he kills me.
And you think that is what we want? Eh? You think that is what we want? If fighting him kills you, who will now rescue Sumira? Eh? My son, use your head. Malife. Open violence and confrontation is not it's not always the best. Oh?
Donald, I warned you. I warned you. I begged you. Stay away. This fight isn't yours. Just stay away. Now look at it. See the consequences. I hope you're feeling it. I don't know why you wouldn't listen to me.
Sumira, can you just stop? Someone needs to keep that prince where he belongs. Alright? Someone needs to stand up to him and tell him that he is a weak man. Only weak men behave the way he does. Alright?
And you think that person is you? You want to put your life in line? I did not ask for your help.
But you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. You can never stop the plans of God. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. You are fighting in vain. You are struggling in vain. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the God. Nobody can stop destiny. What is written is written. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny. You can only fight, but you can't stop the plans of the gods.
How many times have I warned you not to summon me this way?
But you came.
Why are you speaking to me in such a manner? Have you forgotten your status?
How can I have forgotten when you don't cease to remind me how worthless I am? How could you, Prince Sado? How could you inflict such pain on a human? How could you?
Well, that is a very merciful punishment to such a commoner like him. And by the way, why are you standing by his side? I mean, you have never questioned my authorities or any of my actions, so why now? Oh, I hope you are not falling in love with this commoner that makes you to stand out for him.
Prince Sado, I beg you, please, do not hurt him furthermore. I will do whatever you want, but don't hurt him again.
I have big plans for you. From my personal maid to my mistress. I would have made you my wife, though you're a commoner. But you can be my concubine. I think that is enough for you. Isn't it?
Donald has been my friend since childhood. I don't want to see him get hurt because of me. So please, do not inflict pains on him ever again.
Well, it's okay. I've heard you. But that will be on the condition of him not standing on my path again. And you accepting my proposal.
Saddle!
Mom?
Now what do you think you are doing, son? Say no to drugs! Is it not applicable to you as well? The worst thing, the worst report I can ever get is me hearing that you got yourself high and you were flogging people all around at the four walls of this palace to the knowledge of the king. That is the worst report ever. To the knowledge of your father, I am talking and you are busy smoking. Don't allow me to use this to plug off your eyes. Have you lost your senses? Now take a look at you, son.
Mom, it's not really my fault. Mom, when I feel stressed and I just needed to relax. Mom, I mean, this is the only thing that gets me relaxed whenever
just shut it! There are other ways to calm your nerves. It's not befitting for someone who is aspiring to become the future king. You should be ashamed of yourself. Just take a look at what you're doing. Smoking, drinking your life away. We are looking for a way to make you a king, and this is definitely not suitable for you. Don't you ever repeat that nonsense again. Now what do you want? To make everything that I have labored to become a waste, or because of this nonsense? I have worked so hard to see that you will become the future king. This is not good for you.
I'm sorry, Mom. I'm really sorry. I've heard all you said. I'm really sorry for my bad conduct, but I will do as you wish. I'm sorry.
Pick it. You have to go trash it now in your restroom. Don't tell me after so many years of you and I raising our sons together, you're still doing this? Honestly speaking, I feel like a replacement.
Don't tell me you're jealous of the dead.
Of course, why not? I'll be jealous of anything that will come in between you and I.
You are my first love, though not my first queen. I'm only admiring her, and I feel guilty that I could not protect her. And now, I could not protect our son.
You don't have to.
Your Majesty, honestly, I'm so happy seeing you looking very strong this morning. You are looking very strong.
Hey, oh no, my friend. Igwe, I am glad that you noticed that I am happy today.
I am fed up and tired with the fact that I failed to protect my sons. I underestimated my enemies. Trust me, it will never happen again. I want you, to do all you can to protect this second prince. Make sure nothing happens to him. Give him maximum security, both internally and externally. 247.
But let me ask you, Your Majesty. It seems you don't believe that the crown prince killed himself.
How can you sound this way?
You are my friend. And you know well that I am a lion. Lion cannot give birth to a goat. No true son of mine that my blood runs in him that can take his life. Never. It was purely the handwork of my enemies. And they did it to disguise as if it was a suicide. Oh yes. I am the most powerful man. Oh no. You are my old friend. And you can tell much about me. I am a lion. A lion cannot give birth to a goat. Oh yes. No true son of mine that my blood runs in his vein that can take his life. Never. Never. I am a powerful man that lacks good men to trust. I believe you will not fail me. I will do exactly what you want me to do. That's my plan.
Why is the king so desperate in securing the crown within his bloodline? Why?
Even you, your majesty, you have killed your conscience. Never consider the lines you have crossed, as long as you have what you want.
I agree with you. And I will take that as a compliment. Because my humanity cannot be at play when it comes to securing the crown for my son. But he has beefed up security around Prince, making it almost impossible for anyone to touch him.
Let me remind you, no matter how tight a wall looks, there is always a crack. Relax, your majesty. Just relax. The most dangerous enemy is the one within.
Greetings, your majesty. Can I join you?
You always have a seat.
Let's see.
I can see beautiful wine on the table.
Yes, your majesty. I do select from the best. You love to choose from the best. And I'm so glad I was raised by a man like you.
I wish I was able to impart on you. But the things I see you do does not reflect my teachings.
Your majesty, pardon? I don't understand.
Or you think I was not aware about the happenings in the kingdom? Your bullyings and torturing. The subjects are supposed to be cared by us and not to be booed. This is not the life of a prince. Show example of my teachings. Because the path you are walking will lead to darkness and can kill a man. Redress your step. I repeat, redress your steps.
offer you? What?
Mother, why do you choose to slap me at every given opportunity you have? What have I done wrong?
Oh really? You think I will not hear? You think I will not hear your conversation with the king? Even though I'm not in the palace, I hear everything that goes on in this palace.
You and father have this in common. Spy around the kingdom.
That's not the issue. Why? I'm asking you, why in the world would you allow him to know everything you are doing in this kingdom, all your wrongs in this kingdom? Lo and behold, he's going to use it against you, to fight against you becoming the king, which is what I have worked for, labored for all my life to see you having the crown as a king. Why can't you hide your weaknesses from the world? They are looking so they can use it against you, and you are giving them the room to mock you to your face. Isn't that a shame?
I am sorry, Mom. I'm really sorry.
What is it to you?
I know he is coming for her. She must have made a deal to keep me alive and sold her soul to the devil.
Yeah. How do you know this?
Mama, because we are best of friends. Eh? I and Sumeria understand ourselves even without speaking to each other. She made a statement that this battle is only for her, but I think she was wrong. This battle is for me. It's for us, and I am going to fight.
Hey, fight. Fight the royal household. You are just a commoner. Eh? What can you do?
I will marry her, Mama.
Hey.
I will marry her. And once I do that, I know that Prince Sado knows it's an abomination in this land to chase a married woman.
Look at you. You will marry her. You want to marry a woman just because you pity her? Or you want to protect her? I thought I raised you better. Eh? Do you love her enough to spend the rest of your life with her? Yeah.
Mama, I cannot answer that question now. But my anger is my inability to help her at this point. She needs my help. I can't continue seeing this go bizarre. I can't continue looking at her like that, getting tortured by a prince. Eh? That guy is a beast.
Eh? My son, calm down. Oh, take it easy. Please.
What is it that you wanted us to discuss outside and not inside the house?
It's not obvious. I don't want mother to interfere in our discussion. See, I have found a perfect solution, to keep Prince Sado off your back forever.
I have warned you, Donnell. I have begged you. Stay away. Stay clear. Please. I don't want anything to happen to you because of me. Just stay away, please. How am I supposed to survive it? Life will be so miserable. Life will be worthless. Please. Do this for me. Just stay away, please.
Shh.
Please.
Why do you sound so romantic? I mean, no woman has ever said this to me before. And you're saying it.
I am only telling you the wisest thing anyone can tell you. Stay clear.
Then listen to me. Listen to my plans.
It is too late. It is too late because I am going to the palace to become Prince Sado's personal maid.
Prince Sado's personal maid, you say?
Yes.
And his plaything? No, tell me. No, tell me. You want to become his personal maid and a plaything, what he can use and play at any time. But wait, how can you take such a decision without me?
I thought we were in this together.
Well, you thought wrong. So.
No one can stop what the Lord has written. Nobody can stop destiny. You can fight, but you will not survive. What you don't know is bigger than you. The enemy you are fighting in vain. You can only try, but you can't stop destiny.
Greetings, Father. I hope you are waxing stronger.
Yes, today I'm all right. Greet Her Majesty, the Queen.
Greetings, Your Majesty. As you can see, I have returned.
You're welcome, son. Are you sure you have returned or you're planning to leave us anytime soon?
Your Majesty, don't you think it's too early? Considering the fact that I just got in. And as for you, Prince Sado, my father's so-called adopted child, will you bow to me or you prefer that I compel the guards to force you to bow to me? Father, it's unfortunate. He's just royal by registration, and he's not royal by blood. He's lucky enough to share the same name with you.
You must be out of your mind, you nitwit.
Your Majesty, it's nice to see you again.
I prefer you call me father. Because this relationship between father and son has to be there. Because very soon, we shall be taken over.
I'm so sorry about that, Father. I am not interested in this, okay? I am only here for my late brother. I can't abandon my career because of this, Father. You should know this is not my team.
Anyway, when we get to the place of talking drums.
Thank you, Father. Father, I can see you are really waxing strong. You're really looking good. So how have you been? How's everybody?
Mom, did you hear that? No. Did you hear that, Mom? Did you see how he humiliated me before the subjects? I would have dealt with him, but I restrained because of you. I would have punched his face, Mother.
I'm glad you didn't use your fist to address the insult. Relax. You are angry. That I know. You're heartened inside because of the way he insulted you. You feel like burning down the whole palace. I love that. I love the fact that you are angry, but I would like you to channel your anger towards the power, towards getting the crown. Prince Steve was able to feed you with insult today. That's because he has the power. Which is why I want you to channel your anger, your energy, everything towards the crown. And that's it.
Mother, I'm ready to do anything. I'm ready to do anything to have that power. And I will make him to bow before me.
I need you to follow your mom's lead. Believe me, everything will fall in place. Listen, I need you to be of good behavior. Become the best. I assure you, when you will attack Prince Steve, he will not even know. Relax. with you, Your Highness?
Who am I to stop Her Majesty from sitting wherever she wants? You know, you're so humble.
Thank you. And you are way too kind. Though you look worried, what is wrong?
You know, for a minute, I almost thought you cared. But it's obvious you're trying to fish out information from me, and I'm not going to give that to you.
Come on, Steve. I raised you all by myself. I know how you behave when things are not going the way you want them to go. What's the matter?
You know, it is so disgusting to see you pretend that you're my real mom. You're just my father's wife, and that's all. Can you stick to that, please?
Okay. Well, your late brother hated me as well, and later, he liked me. We became good friends because he realized that I meant well for him. Those are also my thoughts towards you. I mean well for you. Well, I know you would like to return to your lifestyle as a superstar. I mean, as a global celebrity that you are. Fine. You can do it. You can go back to your lifestyle. Because I know you wouldn't want to be raped down in a kingdom becoming their king. No, you're too young for that. Do whatever thing you want to do. I assure you, I will persuade your daddy to let you be. He will get someone that will, become the king after him.
You know, I wish my brother was alive to tell me how close you were to him. I'm talking about abandoning the throne to someone. Who are you talking about? Prince Sado, I guess. You know, I begin to feel now that this is a plan to eradicate me, just like you got rid of my mom and my brother. It is so clear and obvious.
That's a very grave accusation you spit without evidence. Now you watch your next word, Prince Steve.
You know, you're such a chameleon. Just tell me, what do you want from me? Tell me.
You must proceed to crown him as soon as possible.
Your Majesty, it seems you are in a hurry. Are you having any fear of anything?
The palace physician visited and told me that my heart must stop beating at any moment. Is that not enough reason to be in a hurry?
Your Majesty, it's like you feel that the killers of the first prince are onto Steve.
Yes. It is difficult to get rid of them. Because they are faceless. The moment we crown him, Steve's life will be endangered. And that is why we must do everything humanly possible to protect him. One more thing. I want you to dig deep. One more thing. I want you to find out those who are behind the atrocities going on in this family.
Your Majesty, you have nothing to worry about it, because I'm already working towards finding the perpetrators. As for your desire, as it concerns the prince, it will be carried out.
The king has no intention of stopping. One would think that after the death of his first son, that he would check it out, and not to endanger the life of his second son.
Since when are kings known to back down from fulfilling their duties? Just like his father passed the crown to him, he will be considered a failure if he is unable to pass to his son. Kings don't have feelings of love or hate when discharging their duties. They don't even have basic emotions. Human basic emotions.
Oh, please, can you stop with the eulogies? This is a serious matter we're talking about. Prince Steve looks like someone who doesn't even have a say. Who will do exactly as his father instructed him. You can imagine, he even accused me openly of being behind the previous deaths. Could he know something?
I can see how worried you look. But I will need you to calm down. Yes, I need you to calm down. I know you have many questions that only time will answer. If the prince is going to be an obstacle, we'll get rid of him. But we must act with caution.
No one can stop what the Lord has written. Nobody can stop.
What are you doing here? Donald, I told you not to come. What are you doing here?
I am worried about you, okay? I can't sleep. I'm unable to sleep. I am worried. Dead worried about you.
What do you mean you're worried about me? I am doing fine. I can handle myself and the stupid prince. I am doing fine. You need to stay away, please.
That's why I'm more worried. Alright, he's a monster. You're an angel. I mean, that cohabitation is not good for you. He's a monster. A fucking monster.
I know. Donald, please. You need to stay away from the palace. I beg you, please. Listen, you cannot allow them break you. If they break you, then definitely you know it will get to me. And of course, what am I living for? Donald, please, you need to stay safe for my sake. I already have a plan in motion. I have planted a seed of addiction in him. And that will help me control and destroy him. I must take my vengeance, but you have to give me the opportunity to do that. You have to stay away, please. I don't want anything to happen to you. Please stop coming to the palace. I beg you, please.
It's alright. Are you sure you'll be fine?
I'll be fine. I'll be fine. Just promise me you will never come here again. Please. Promise me.
Okay.
Not okay. Promise.
I promise.